start by aiming for like Bart Simpson. So like get really small, pick a word, ear, eye, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Go ear, 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 ear.
So the goal is to get really small, right? I'm currently edged into a kind of Bart Simpson, don't have a cow, man, kind of quality. From here, I'm gonna just change pronunciation. Ear, 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 ear.
So you're starting really small and then continuing to change your pronunciation and differentiating and disambiguating the size change portion versus pronunciation change. Another way to do that would be to start large. Aim for something yawny, maybe Patrick Star.
Ear, right? Or maybe let's try a different word. We'll try one. And the goal here is to stay yawny the whole time. One, 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 1, 2, 3. Can you hear that there's still a lot of that yawny quality? I haven't changed size, but the pronunciation has shifted in a sort of difficult to describe way. I went from a dull 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to help you start to disambiguate that size that the size change you're getting from pronunciation. Finally, sort of the last version of this is to actually start in that Ash Ketchum, Bart Simpson kind of territory, and then get larger and then get sharper. So, really importantly, don't let the pronunciation change as you go from Bart Simpson to a larger sound, or as you go from Bart Simpson and simultaneously get larger and sharper. I'll demonstrate what I mean.
1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I just change pronunciation here, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still really small, right? So instead, 1, 1, 1, 1,
1, 1, 1, 1. So now I'm kind of crossing a boundary, right?
I went from sounding like a kind of middle school boy, Bart Simpson, to sounding
like a more mature feminine speaker. And the change is allowing the voice to get larger and also simultaneously changing pronunciation. So you can do those one step at a time.
1, 1, 1, 1,
1, 1, 1, 1, 1. As you get larger, you should still maintain that kind of sharper pronunciation, or you can do it simultaneously. Depending on what you're interested in at this stage, I think it might help to kind of take one step at a time. This is something that is really difficult for people to hear. I think because for so long, and kind of out of ease, people bundled this together with size change. I think there's still a lot of people who, when they demonstrate size changing, and I myself am guilty of this at times, when I'm demonstrating size change, I will often just go hello, 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 and wind up with hello, and start with hello. That difference in hello and hello, 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 hello is a pretty major one in terms of how we perceive the gender of the speaker. But if we bundle that into size, or God forbid, when we were using the word brightness to describe all of this, we were just aim for a brighter sound, and that incorporates changes to pronunciation and changes to size. So the idea of dullness and sharpness in pronunciation is something that we can really start to hone in on. I might also, I would just suggest taking it kind of one thing at a time, aiming for larger, sharper pronunciations. Even though this is very far from my smallest potential size, I think that this quality is something we can start to internalize. And then you can play around with,
par, 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 parts, parts, pure parts,
whatever, right? That change is really crucial to hear. So maybe use R's and L's as a Q. That's something to pay attention to. If you're like, run, 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 it almost sounds like I'm saying R-O-N, Ron, like the name. Run, 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 run. Run to the store. I'm gonna run to the store. So by the end, I went from ron to run, almost R-E-N, wren, or like the bird. So play around with these explorations, see if you can kind of start to differentiate some of these, because, yeah, vowel sounds and the consonants L and R, which kind of function like vowels, are really strongly indicative of sharpness and dullness. And, yeah, use kind of like patterns that will help you divorce size change, which you're already hearing and capable of, from pronunciation. And see what you see.